Hello everyone. In the following question, we have to find the value for Z equivalent and V node. Firstly, we transfer the circuit to the frequency domain. We will say firstly transfer the circuit. To frequency domain. Firstly, we will transfer the circuit to frequency domain. If we will transfer this circuit to frequency domain, here we will write that 12. Here we will write 12 cos t. This can be written as 12 into 0 degree. Omega is written as 1. And if we will write 2 Henry, this is written as j omega L. This can be written as j into 2. J into 2. If we have to write 1 by 4 farad, this is minus j into 4. If we write 1 by 8 farad, this can be written as minus j into 8. Now for